Creating a website in HTML. About HTML comments. HTML comments are not displayed in the browser. They are visible only to those users who open the page source. For example, with comments you can place notifications and reminders in your HTML code. In the following example, we use the HTML comment tag to make a comment on the type of list used. HTML styles, CSS. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets, and it is the language that defines the presentation of a web page. CSS is used to define styles for your web pages, including the design, layout, and variations in display for different devices and screen sizes. There are three ways of inserting a style sheet into an HTML document. Inline, by using the style attribute inside HTML elements. Internal, by using a style element in the head section. External, by using a link element to link to an external CSS file. Creating a web page using different elements. In this example, we can see how different types of HTML lists are used, how they are coded, and explored some basic list options. Note that the list items can be displayed as a link. Creating complex tables. Tables should be used whenever you need to present information in a tabular format and use CSS to style the tables. When we have to make a complex table, the t-head, t-body, and t-foot elements can define the table's header, body, and footer. In a complex table, they can add useful structure for the developers and also for browsers and other devices. Examples of links. Forms are important for marketing as well as creating web applications and more. Depending on the type of form you are creating, it is possible to have a form that only includes two types of elements, one form element and one or more input elements. The input element is used to create a variety of different types of input fields for form users to interact with. For example, we added an input field that can only contain numbers and allow numbers between 1 and 5. Within modules 1 to 26, we learned about HTML tags and attributes, about CSS properties, how to use them, and how to build a functional web page.